long time no see. Basically I look like a mess because I was thinking, hey, it was like half a year ago since I actually made a video. Why not make a get ready with me so I can explain a little bit, have a little bit of a chit chat. I'm not gonna do anything super interesting of a look because I'm not going anywhere today. Shoot, I forgot eyebrows. So, why haven't I uploaded in so long? Well, first and foremost, I kinda had a creative roadblock. Like, I haven't barely even worn makeup since July. It's a long time ago, basically. I didn't just want to upload, and I tried to go off my meds, and that just made everything horrible. I didn't really know what to do ever since me just can't deal with it. I didn't have any energy to do anything. Like, I just worked to care Dexter, and that was basically it. Obviously everyone noticed that I did not feel very well, so... And that's Dexter if you're wondering. He's going under my bed. And then it went so long that I felt really weird about it, and then everything else just stumbled across me at once, basically. Thoughts back and forth. I thought that maybe it's just best if I don't upload until the New Year's. Which is now, so Happy New Year! 2 weeks later. I do feel a lot better now, and starting to take my meds again. I always have one time a year that I try to stop. I'm just pressing loose powder. That's why it took so long, and I haven't uploaded on Instagram, but I have been on Twitter and Snapchat. I have been thinking what I want to do with this channel. I have more interest than just makeup. And then I thought, why do I have to get myself into a niche when I don't even like doing that kind of stuff? I look more like a human now. I can't talk when I'm doing eyebrows because that's just hard. For contouring, I'm using the NYX eyeshadow. The NYX contour palette, and I'm using mostly this color because I'm so freaking pale. I will be starting doing more pets videos. I am thinking about doing like how to teach your dog to do certain easy, well, the basics tricks. I feel like that would be kind of fun and something that I really do like. I do want to start vlogging. I have picked out a camera for Dexter. I have picked out a vlogging camera that I want, so it's just a matter of, do I want to splurge my money on it? Probably in the next few weeks or months. I'm not sure yet. I like watching vlogs, I think it's fun, so I don't see a reason why I shouldn't do it. I'm just taking a little bit of the darkest color in the palette and like 1-2 dots. That's my dog and cat chasing, playing with each other. Adding a little bit extra because why not? And then just blend it out. What I do want to vlog is probably not so much day-to-day life, because my life is very same stuff over and over again, but I do want to do like reptile expos when me and my boyfriend move in together, because we are planning on doing that this year. Hopefully this spring. It depends on how long it takes to get an apartment. For blush I'm using e.l.f.'s Blush Fusion. It's the one that is a dupe for NARS Orgasm. And we're gonna use the Jeffree Star Family Collection highlighter that is called Nefri. I love this color. And blending it. For lipstick I'm going to use the Jeffree Star You Better Work, and this was from the summer collection. This is one of my favorite looks recently, to just have pretty strong facial makeup and just a bold lip, and nothing on the eyes. I just think it looks so nice. Give me a second. Gonna take a little bit from the highlighter on my finger and of course setting spray. To recap a little bit what I have talked about is 1, I will be coming back to YouTube, and 2, there will be coming vlogs, and 3, I will broaden my things that I do. I want to introduce you to my 2 new pets, but I can't do that right now because I'm not allowed to have them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I can maybe do this again. And don't forget to subscribe, it really makes me so happy to see when you do that, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye!